In a hospital, 16 corona patients were admitted in 16 different rooms. A patient of room number 13 gets recovered and he has to say goodbye to all other patients before going out of hospital, but he cannot meet anyone twice. The exit is from room number 1, which is diagonally opposite to room number 13. Find the total number of distinct paths to go out. If you have not tried this question yet, you can pause the video for more time. You are watching Brain Exploders, the world where brain starts working. So here is the solution. He is on room number 13, which is an odd room number, and in one step he can go to an even room number, and again after two steps he will again reach to a odd room number, and in this way in 15 steps the final room will be an even. But here we have to reach room number 1, which is an odd room number. So is it impossible to reach room number 1 if he cannot go to a room twice? Yes, definitely it is impossible. But wait, our condition is that he cannot meet any patient twice, but he can go to a room twice. So what he will do? He will go either to room number 12 or 14, and then he will return to room number 13, and after that he will start trying to go out. So suppose he went to room number 12 and then returned and then goes to room number 14. Now after room number 14 he can go to room number 11 or 15. So later we will come to 11. Let's seek the paths after 15. So when he is in room number 15 he can go to room number 12, 10 or 16. But if he goes to room number 10, then it will be impossible to go out with such conditions, because after 10 if he goes to 11 then it will become impossible to go to 9, and if he goes to 9 then it will become impossible to go to 11. Therefore he must go to room number 16. After 16 there is only one way to room number 9, and after 9 again he has two choices, one to room number 8 and another to room number 10. So we will come to room number 8 later. Let's try after room number 10. So when he is in room number 10 he cannot go to room number 7, because if he went to room number 7 it will become impossible to go to room number 8 and 11 or both. Therefore he has to go to room number 11 and after that to room number 6, and he cannot change its path. Here he has no choices, he has to follow this path shown on the screen to go out. So after room number 10 he has no independent turns. So let's come to the path which we have left. After going to room number 8 again he has no independent turns, he has to go to room number 7, then to 10, then to 11 and so on, because if he try to choose any other path it will become impossible to go out with such conditions. Again after room number 8 he has no independent turns. Let's come back where we left after 13, 12, 13, 14 and 11. So after 11 he has two choices, one to room number 6 and another to room number 10. And with the previous same logic, here also after room number 6 and room number 11 he has no independent turns. Therefore in total we got that if he went to room number 12 and then returns, then he has four paths to go out. And similarly he can do another thing, he can go to room number 14 and then return to 13, and then he can go to 12, and after that all the conditions will be similar to the previous one, hence there will also be four paths to go out. Therefore in total he has 8 paths to go out. All these paths are shown here. Let's move to our another question. Find the remainder when 1374th term of the following Fibonacci series is divided by 5. Try this question and comment us the solution, and if you have any question like this, send us on the Gmail given in the description box. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos subscribe to our channel Brain Explorers. Thanks for watching.